I gotta make this quick and short video updating on this crazy good announcement by Trump. He couldn't wait, even on Sunday, and he decided to drop this massive news. I have to scrap the video that I've been working on. It's irrelevant now because everything's just changed so fast. Unfortunately, guys, I cannot find the tweet about that, but I got this off from the headlines news saying US President Donald Trump announced the names of 5 digital assets he expected to include in a new US crypto strategic reserves on Sunday, spiking the market values of each. Trump said on social media that his January executive order on digital assets could create a stockpile of currency, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, and ADA, and the assets rose 8% to 62% instantly after he's announced that. And he also declared, "I will make sure the US is the crypto capital of the world." Bitcoin's world's largest cryptocurrency quickly jumped to $94,000 at the time I'm recording this video. Just recently, it dropped as low as $78,000. That's a massive recovery, guys. I was hoping for a bit more sideways action so I can stack up on those dips. But Bitcoin always does its thing, you know. Sooner or later, it will always move up. Those who panicked and sold during the dip will likely kick themselves now or before the end of 2025, especially when Bitcoin continues its march toward millions in the future. And here's where things get even more interesting. Analysts are buzzing about what this could mean for the cryptos market. Many believe that once the United States start accumulating Bitcoin, it could trigger a domino effect. Other countries might scramble to follow suit, not wanting to get left behind, as the US solidifies the position as a leader in the crypto space. When a nation as powerful as the US starts stacking Bitcoin, it creates a sense of urgency. You know what's gonna happen next, right? The supply starts to dry up. With only 21 million Bitcoin ever to exist and millions already lost forever, the supply shock could be massive. And when other countries jump on board, it's game's over for the cheap Bitcoin. The price could go parabolic, and those who are still on the sidelines might find themselves priced out of the market. Imagine a world where governments, institutions, and regular folks are all trying to grab a piece of the limited Bitcoin pie. The supply is finite, but the demands could become unquenchable. That's when we will see prices shoot up in ways we can't even imagine. The analysts who've been predicting 6-figure Bitcoin might have to revise their estimate, because the reality is, in a true supply shock, Bitcoins could be headed to the stratosphere. Trump isn't slowing down either. He's hosting the first ever White House Crypto Summit this Friday, where he will likely to dive deeper into his visions for making the US the crypto capital of the world. There's still some mystery around how the new reserves will work, but there's speculations it could involve the US Treasury Exchange Stabilization Funds, or even cryptocurrencies seized by the law enforcement. This is the moments we've been waiting for, the kinds of bullish news that could set off a new era for Bitcoin. The Trump administration pro-crypto stance is setting the stage for the monumental shift in how nations approach digital assets. So if you are a Bitcoiner, buckle up. The ride could get wild. And don't forget to hold tight and stack it right. Take care.